Apache Nifi installation setup on Windows 10 operating system. Google search box లో Java downloads enter key press Java downloads Oracle India second link mouse left click Oracle official web page complete display mouse scroll down second one JDK 21 second option click scroll down third option Windows click second one x64 installer file size 164.45 MB download section లో second link click JDK-21 Windows x64 underscore bin.exe setup file downloading process start. Wait and hear process completing. Process completed. New tab click search box లో Apache Nifi download enter key press download Apache Nifi first link click Apache Nifi official redirectory web page complete display scroll down first one option Nifi default set second one binary section lo first one Nifi standard version 2.6.0 first button click we suggested the following location for your download Nifi -2.6.0-bin.zip file first link click download section లో Nifi -2.6.0-bin.zip file downloading process start file size 714 MB wait and hear downloading process completing process completed right side first icon show in folder click downloads folder lo 2 files display second one JDK21 select mouse double click Java TMSC development kit window lo first button yes click preparing to install download folder minimize browser close Java SC development kit setup window lo first button next click destination folder installation application path display in middle section local disk C program files newly created folder Java subfolder JDK21 second button next click progress window lo application related files installation process start status extracting installer wait and hear few seconds successfully installed close button click download folder reopen left side this PC select first one local disk C select open program files folder select open Java folder select open JDK21 folder select open top section lo address bar mouse left click copy this path mouse right click second option copy click folder minimize desktop Windows search box lo enter env first option edit the system environment variable select system properties window lo last button environment variables click second option system variable section lo first button new click first one variable name capital letters Java underscore home second option variable value mouse right click paste option click OK click next path select second button edit click JDK21 folder reopen first one folder bin select open address bar mouse left click mouse right click second option copy click folder minimize right side first button new click mouse right click paste OK click and OK click and OK click bin folder reopen left side downloads folder right click first one Nifi folder select mouse right click extract here option click extracting from Nifi window lo extracting process completed folder select mouse right click cut option click. Left side this PC select. First one local disk C select open. Mouse right click. Paste click. Nifi 2.6.0 folder select open. First one folder bin select open. Address bar mouse left click. Enter CMD. Enter key press. Command prompt shell window open. Default path display. Enter the Nifi start command. Nifi dot cmd space start. Enter key press. First button yellow access click. Installation JDK version detected JDK 21 and second one Nifi 2.6.0. Shell window minimize. Left side back arrow click. Mouse right click. Refresh and click. Display Apache Nifi shell. Nifi bootstrap command bootstrap process running. Wait and hear few seconds. Apache Nifi started. Minimize. Mouse right click or refresh icon click. Mouse right click. Refresh. Options click. Created folders. Content repository. Second one database repository. Docs config lib. Mouse right click. Refresh. Right click. Net repository. Prevents repository. All folders created display. Next logs folder select open. First one file Nifi-app select. Mouse right click. Open with option select. First option notepad click. Add file maximize. Keyboard shortcut key Control F. Press. Enter the port number 8442. Enter key press. Scroll up. Apache.Nifi web server jetty server started server on HTTPS localhost 8443 Nifi. Copy this link. Mouse right click. Third option copy click. Notepad minimize. Browser reopen. Address bar. Mouse right click. Paste option click. Enter key press. Advanced button click. Connect to the localhost click. Nifi localhost login web page display. Enter the first one username. Notepad reopen. Keyboard shortcut key Control F. Capital U without space username enter. Enter key press. Mouse scroll down. Generated username first one. Copy this text. Mouse right click. Copy. Third option click. Browser reopen. Box mouse left click. Mouse right click. Paste click. Browser minimize. Second one generated password selected. Mouse right click. Copy click. Browser reopen. Second box password mouse left click. Mouse right click. Paste click. Bottom side login click. Not now. Second button click. Nifi web page complete display. Processor label web page related. Import from repository any files. Check the Nifi status. Command prompt shell window open. Enter the command nifi.cmd space status. Enter key press. Maximize. Command status success. Bootstrap command status up. Next command nifi.cmd space stop. Enter key press. Application process termination completed.